Tired of worrying about the sun damage? Introducing the UV umbrellas made with heavy-duty polyester fabric that typically blocks off 98% of UV rays. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just enjoying a day at the beach, UV umbrellas keep you cool and protected.
Caught in the rain? Feeling so miserable? Don't let the rain ruin your day. UV umbrella, strong, durable, and keep you dry and comfortable, no matter how hard it rains.
Stay dry, stay happy, stay protected.
UV umbrella is lightweight, easy to carry, and folds up compactly for easy storage. It is the perfect companion for any adventures, no matter the weather.
UV umbrellas has a variety of colors including black, red, blue, and other color that may fit in your style. This is not just any ordinary umbrella. It's a fashion-forward, high-tech shield that blocks harmful UV rays, keeping you safe and stylish.
UV umbrella are available in Shopee, Lazada, and other e-commerce apps. They cost 138 to 500 pesos, even offer buy one take one deals at affordable prices for students and workers. So what are you waiting for? Grab your phone and order your UV umbrella today.
So nandito tayo ngayon sa NIMS Solianga Campus at mag-interview tayo ng isang estudyante at tatanungin natin siya kung ano ang isang bagay na dinadala niya para sa pang-araw-araw. Magandang hapon po. Maaari po bang may interview ang isa sa inyo?
Hindi naman po.
Ano po ang iyong pangalan?
Richard Gonzales.
Maaari po bang malaman kung ano ang isang bagay na ginagamit niyo bilang estudyante?
Ang bagay na ginagamit ko ay isang umbrella. Tapos, napaprotektahan na ako nito sa init at ulan.
Ano pong brand at umbrella ang ginagamit niyo?
UV umbrella.
Okay, yun lang po at salamat. Base sa ating na-interview, masasabi talaga nating magandang produkto ang UV umbrella. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.